Our next concept is collinearity. Three or more points are said to be collinear if they lie on a straight line. Next point, the points A comma B comma C are collinear if AB plus BC is equal to AC, or BC plus AC is equal to AB, or AC plus AB is equal to BC. Second, area of triangle ABC is 0. Next, slope of AB is equal to slope of AC is equal to slope of BC. These are the conditions for the collinearity of given points. Let us do an example. If the points minus 2 comma 0, minus 1 comma 1 by root 3, cos theta comma sin theta are collinear, then the value of theta belongs to 0 to 2 pi, or so you can use any of the above formulas. So here let A is minus 2 comma 0, B is minus 1 comma 1 by root 3, C is cos theta comma sin theta. Given that A, B, C are collinear, implies area of triangle ABC is 0. So apply the formula, that is half mod x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2, that is equal to 0. Here 2 goes right side, that will be 0. This is minus 2 by root 3 plus 2 sin theta minus sin theta minus cos theta by root 3 is equal to 0. Here 2 sin theta minus sin theta is sin theta, that is sin theta minus cos theta by root 3 is equal to 2 by root 3. Now multiply by root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2 sin theta minus root 3 by 2 into cos theta by root 3 is equal to root 3 by 2 into 2 by root 3. This is sin theta into cos pi by 6 minus root 3 gets cancelled. This is sin pi by 6 into cos theta, that is equal to 1. This is sin a cos b minus cos a sin b, sin of a minus b, that is equal to 1. So sin 90 is equal to 1. So here theta minus pi by 6 must be equal to 90. Therefore theta is equal to pi by 2 plus pi by 6, that is equal to 90 plus 30 is 120, that is 2 pi by 3. Therefore theta is equal to 2 pi by 3. Our next problem is, if the points k comma 2k, 3k comma 3k, 3 comma 1 are collinear, then k is equal to, here given points are a is k comma 2k, b is 3k comma 3k, c is 3 comma 1. Now given that a, b, c are collinear, implies area of triangle ABC is 0. Apply the formula, that is half mod x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 is equal to 0. To right side, that will be 0. This is 3k square minus k plus this is 3k minus 6k square. This is 2k minus 3k is minus k, minus 3k is equal to 0. 3k gets cancelled. Minus 3k square minus k is equal to 0. That is 3k square plus k is equal to 0. Take k common, 3k plus 1 is equal to 0. K is equal to 0 or 3k plus 1 is equal to 0. K cannot be 0. If k is 0, 2 points are 0, 0, 0, 0. So this cannot be taken. Therefore k is equal to minus 1 by 3. Our next problem is, if 1 comma a, 3 comma 9a, 4 comma b, 6 comma 18 are collinear, then a comma b by a is equal to, here given points, let a is 1 comma a, b is 3 comma 9a, c is 4 comma b, d is 6 comma 18. Given that these 4 points are collinear, you can use area of the triangle for any 3 points, or you can use, first let us use slope of AB is equal to slope of AD, that is 9a minus a by 3 minus 1 is equal to 18 minus 9 AD is 18 minus a by 6 minus 1. Slope is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This is 80a by 2 is equal to 18 minus a by 5. 2 4s are cancel. This is 20a is equal to 18 minus a. That is 21a is equal to 18. A is equal to 18 by 21. This is 6 3s are 3 6s are 3 7s are. A is equal to 6 by 7. Next, for B, let us take slope of AC is equal to slope of AD. Slope of AC is B minus A by 4 minus 1. Slope of AD is 18 minus A by 6 minus 1. B minus A by 3 is equal to 18 minus A by 5. 5b minus 5a is equal to 54 minus 3a. This is 5b is equal to 54 plus 2a. That is 54 plus 2a means 2 into 6 by 7. 5b is equal to 2 6 are 12. 54 plus 12 by 7. 54 7 35 28 378 390 by 7 plus b is equal to 5 5 8s are 40 5 7s are 35 78 by 7. B minus 5a. Therefore b is equal to 78 by 7. But we need b by a. B by a means 78 by 7 by 6 by 7. 7 7 gets cancelled. 13 6 13 is 18. Therefore a comma b by a is equal to 6 by 7 comma 13 is the answer. Our next problem is if the points a comma b, b comma c, c comma a are collinear, then a square plus b square plus c square is equal to, here let a is a comma b, b is b comma c, c is c comma a. Given that a comma b comma c are collinear, so here we can take area of the triangle is equal to 0. Area of triangle ABC is 0. That is half mod a into c minus a plus b into a minus b plus c into b minus c. Apply the formula, that is equal to 0. ac minus a square plus ab minus b square plus bc minus c square is equal to 0. Implies a square plus b square plus c square is equal to ab plus bc plus ca. Our next problem is if the points a comma 0, 0 comma b, 1 comma 1 are collinear, then 1 by a plus 1 by b is equal to here given points. Let a is a comma 0, b is 0 comma b, c is 1 comma 1. Given that a comma b comma c are collinear, implies area of triangle ABC is 0. Apply the formula of into a into b minus 1 plus 0 into 1 minus 0 plus 1 into 0 minus b is equal to 0. This is ab minus a plus 0 minus b is equal to 0. ab is equal to a plus b. Now divide by ab on both sides. ab by ab is equal to a by ab plus b by ab. That is 1 is equal to 1 by a plus 1 by b, implies 1 by a plus 1 by b is equal to 1 is the answer.